We are pleased to show you the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.